If you are getting that there was an error playing the video message on WhatsApp, here is how to fix it quickly on your Android phone. Start by restarting your phone. This simple step can clear up temporary glitches that may be affecting video playback. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Whether you are using Wi Fi or mobile data, slow or interrupted connections can prevent videos from loading properly. Then go to your settings, then apps, app management or manage apps, then find WhatsApp from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then tap clear cache. This will not delete your chats or media, but it can fix loading issues caused by corrupted temporary files. If the problem still exists, check whether the video file is supported by WhatsApp. Try opening the video in your phone's default video player. If it doesn't play there either, the file might be corrupted or in an unsupported format. Also, update WhatsApp from the Google Play Store to make sure you are using the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and improve media handling. Lastly, check your phone's storage space. If it's too full, WhatsApp might be struggle to load media files properly. If this video helped to fix your issue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides.